What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And now let me stop. I got a haircut and everything finally, but today's video I'm gonna be talking about like how is my straight pipe, is it really Droney or not, and I'm gonna explain to you. I'm gonna put the camera on the dash and just drive. Be right back, guys. So yeah, guys, my exhaust is a straight pipe, but not completely, because I still got my cats. But it does get Droney at times, I'm not gonna lie, but sometimes it's not as bad as you would think. Some cars, the drone is really bad. Like, I've been in straight pipe Civics and you can't even do 60 miles an hour without blowing your eardrums up. In my car, like, I could do 60, 70, 80 with no issues with cruise control on, and it's not as bad. The only time it gets bad is when you're really like flooring it. But when you have the windows up and stuff, you don't really hear it as much as you would if you had the windows down. And even with the windows down, like, my window is cracked right now and it's not that bad. I mean, I'll find out like later on in the video, but like for me, it's bearable. I could do this. Like, I drive my car every single day like this, no issues. And then on top of that, like, depending on where you live, like, you shouldn't have issues getting pulled over either. Well, it's loud, but it's not that loud, if you get what I'm saying. So right now I'm just cruising around town, and as you can see, well, suddenly traffic and stuff, and it's not that bad. Sometimes, I like to be obnoxious, and it's just the car sounds so good. Sometimes it's like, oof. At times when I'm on the phone, I regret having them, because I feel like taking off the straight pipe, putting back mufflers and cats and all that. But once I roll down those windows and I floor it a little bit and I hear how good it sounds, I change my mind so quick. Like, it's not even funny how quick I change it. And it might not be for you. It's not, because I know it's not for everybody. But these cars are very well insulated. Like, you don't really hear a lot of wind noise or road noise and stuff. Because on top of that, like, we also have a 2013 Honda Civic, and that car, yo, you hear every crack, every bump, every chip rock you hit on the floor, and that's a blow. This car, you don't really hear much, just because of how well insulated it is. Like, not all my windows is up and you can barely hear it, like, and it all depends on your preferences. If you can live with it, do it. And the droning is not bad at all. I'm about to hop on the highway so I can really listen. Like, I love when I'm going down a hill and the car just starts cracking and stuff. It does it sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes it does it a lot. Damn, guys. Let's see. I feel like it's been taking forever just to get to the highway. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get to the highway. So we're back, guys. We're getting on the highway right now. See, I can hear. The windows is up, by the way, so y'all can have a little perspective of how it really sounds. As you can see, it's not very loud, just a little pitch in the back, and that's at times. I'm gonna turn my cruise control, and when cruise control on, you can barely hear it. Like, it's very minimal. It doesn't give me a headache, because I know some cars, they're so loud that they give you headaches. And I just love driving a car, yo, and especially when I get on it, I love hearing it. It makes me want to drive the car more. That's why I drive it like every single day. But I am thinking about getting a little daily for not to rush for a little bit. Be able to do stuff to it without having to worry about it getting all damaged up, parked in the streets and stuff. Park it up for a few. Let her relax. You know, we're almost at 200,000, and I'm so excited about that. When we hit 200,000, that's a whole nother video, guys. But like I was saying, the car is spectacular. Like, it runs, it drives, it sounds good. It's not annoying. I don't really need to worry about a lot of wind noises and stuff. The only thing that pisses me off is that when I hit on my brakes, my tires rub with the inner liners of the fender, so that'd be kind of annoying. But besides that, I don't really worry about much. And that I can't go through every single street, because some streets, man, are really bad. But yeah, guys, that'll be basically the end of it. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna let y'all listen to the car now and listen to how it sounds. But roll the windows down a little bit so y'all can see the difference, because, you know, the windows has been up the whole time. And enjoy. you enjoyed this video. If you did, guys, it really helps a lot if you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification so you can see every single time I post a video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.